How to fix winmm.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart your computer. A simple restart can often resolve the winmm.dll missing or not found error by refreshing your system and ensuring all required files load properly during boot. Updating your system can resolve the error if it's caused by outdated or missing system components. Fix 3. Run a malware scan. Malware infections can corrupt or remove essential DLL files like winmm.dll. A full system scan can help identify and resolve such issues. If that didn't work, open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process. Select the option to keep your files and then press Cloud Download. Follow on-screen instructions to finish the process.